Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing in your PC. So first of all, you're going to have to launch your Steam, then select Steam itself. Here select settings. Then come to downloads section, scroll below and select clear download cache. Once done, confirm your action. And it might take a while. Close it once it's done and select library. From here, if you see any games, applications that you no longer use, you're going to have to simply uninstall it. And as you do that, quit out of your Steam application and make sure this is also quit from here as well. If you see Steam, right click onto it, select exit Steam. Next thing, press Windows and R. You type in local app data or %local app data %. You will see your file manager will open up. Click on anywhere, type in T. Double click onto T, select everything that you can and delete it. Again, select app data, select local, click on anywhere, then type in S, you will see Steam. Select your game folder and you will see this HTML cache. You're going to have to go ahead and delete it as well. Once done, close it, restart your device, launch your Steam again, try the application again and it will definitely work. Thank you for watching.